What is going on, guys? So my name is Alex Armstrong, and I'm the founder and CEO of All American Prospects. I'm currently a business owner, and I am teaching you today how I earn $150 a day on Instagram reposting videos. So basically, let me get into it. So what is reposting videos? So reposting videos is literally going on Instagram and you copy the link and you get an app. It's called the Regrammer or whatever you want to do to download the app to repost it. And you literally just copy the link and then, hit it to Instagram or TikTok and repost it. That's what's reposting. You repost someone else's content. So that's what reposting is if anyone doesn't know. So with that, I'm going to tell you how I do make that money with Instagram and combine it. Also, I can also say TikTok as well because I make money off TikTok and Instagram, but that's for a whole separate video. So for Instagram, reels are huge. I've been doing a lot of reels. That's number one. I would definitely post a lot of reels if you already have a follower base, or if you don't, then I would just start posting reels because you can get a lot of reach and engagement with that. And also number two, you gotta have a really good product, or not even a really good product, maybe just a mid to high tier product. And I'd recommend selling digital downloads. They're really easy to make and easy to sell, and you don't have to do any fulfilling like a product like drop shipping or any of that. You can just do a digital download and it just automatically fulfills for you. So that's also a great alternative. That's what I do, other than the normal route of selling a normal product and fulfilling it from AliExpress and doing all that nonsense and junk. But number three, I would definitely say grow an audience. You need to grow an audience. You need that at least 10,000 followers to grow on Instagram or to make money on Instagram and earn that amount of money with $150. And you will be set. Like if you have at least 10,000 followers, you'll make some sort of cash, maybe like $20 to $50 a day. But maybe not that much, just like $100 to $200 a day. I wouldn't think so. I mean, I've never seen it before. I mean, maybe you can do it on other theme pages. Like I've seen, the motivation niche or the luxury niche do it really well. Like, hey, like we talk about, finance, we talk about money. There's a lot of guys who follow that page are, really wanting to make money. So they have a lot of money as well. And then they're wanting to make more money. So that's also a good niche I would do, but it's very saturated. But so it's really hard to get in. But when you're in it, you're set. So, because I'm in the baseball niche, sports niche, or baseball sports niche, some in that area. So yeah, high school baseball specifically. And I would honestly just, do it on all platforms as well, post on all platforms, very, very generic, but like that's, you might as well do it because it's more reach to your platform or your product or whatever you're selling. So yeah, guys, and I'm gonna wrap up the video there. If you guys like this video, please hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.